Hello and welcome. I am Kim, and together with my 3 dogs, Doerak, Bobby, and Pilou, I have taken on the challenge of converting my Sprinter van into a camper van for us to travel Europe in. Come along as we say yes to new adventures. Okay? Okay. Bye, sweetie. Sometimes I do miss being around horses. Bye, sweetie. Bye, sweetie. Have a nice sleep. I used to have horses, and I said goodbye to my mare a year ago when I started doing van life. I decided to sell my horse, and it has been hard for me ever since. Hey, babe. You're coming, but I'm leaving, sweetie. Bye. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. But oh yeah, so I'm planning on visiting her soon, but I have to say that it's kind of scary to visit her. Hi, Ernie. Because she's probably doing fine, but I miss her, and I'm the type of person that if something would be wrong, I would be totally upset about it. And there's nothing I can do about it because she's no longer my property, but I'm still, I still love her. She was my horse for a couple of years, and she's just an amazing horse. So I would totally would totally be upset if she wouldn't be fine. But I think she's great. I didn't get any no information came to me that she wouldn't be fine, but it's just scary. But yeah. So I love that Guus and Geralde both have horses. Geralde has 1, Guus has 2. So I love being around horses here all the time. I help take care of them when I'm here. Is it time for dinner, honeys? Hey, is it time for dinner? Yes, it is, huh? Be nice. Be nice. Stay on the bed. I'll get your dinner. There you go, Doerak. There you go, Bobby. There you go, Pilou. Eet smakelijk. Bon appetit. Good morning. Oh, my hand is... They're playing. We just woke up and Bobby was a little bit cold, so I took him under the blanket. And now he's playing with his sister. They're so cute. I'm so happy that I did the adjustments on the bed in the end because it's so much more sturdy. It doesn't move the entire van when I move. It's sturdy. I was trying to show you guys. And it's so comfortable. This bed is so comfortable. I'm so happy about it. I have such good night's sleep. The air quality here is way better, and I'm planning on staying in better air quality for my asthma. So yeah, it was really cold last night. It's now 7.8 degrees, but I woke up around 1. It was already 10 degrees and I was still cold. So I put on the heater, and then I woke up around 4 and I turned it off. So now we're noon. But I was so cold. I couldn't get warm. I have to say, like Wim Hof, I'm getting used to the cold. I used to hate having a cold bed. I used to warm it with a blanket. Oh, my poor plant. Used to warm it with a blanket, but now I just get into a cold bed. I'm like, it's an icicle. The bed is an icicle. I'm so cold. And then if I have the heater on, I can warm it pretty quick. If the heater's not on, I feel like my body temperature is trying to warm it up, but it doesn't really work or something. But yeah, oh, I love this bed so much. We're having a little bit of a sleep-in moment, and what I also love so much is that when I wake up, there's this tree surrounding the van. There are so many trees here, and I love it. If there will be a storm, I would not park here, but the storms are gone, so it's so amazing here. I got a pretzel. There aren't that many shops in the Netherlands where you can buy them. But as soon as I go to Germany, I always buy pretzels or Laugenstangen or whatever because I love it so much. So I just had a nice orange. I chilled with the dogs. And now I'm going to clean out the paddock for my friend because we are going to Apeldoorn later. Good morning. We just woke up and we're gonna go to the Renderklippen, which is the big heide. And I just tidied the van, got fresh water, dumped the grey water, cleaned out some stuff. And now we are ready. It's 8 o'clock and the sun is coming up. So it's gonna be gorgeous. Come along. are at the Heide, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm sitting here on a little bench. Even though it's winter, it's gorgeous. Look how stunning. It's amazing. I love being here. In summer, these little plants turn purple. And that's even more beautiful, but I love the contrast with all the trees around it. It's so gorgeous. That we now have the opportunity to go for a walk every morning about an hour in nature. Where I lived, there was always, you know, you had to walk through buildings and everything and short walks, and here we can just roam for about an hour and have so much fun, and it's so cool, and my dogs love it. They're running around and I'm enjoying it so much. I'm really just charging my energy for the day. I'm loving it, every minute of it. With the recent storms we've had, trees just got torn out of the ground. Look at these trees, really high and tall, and they just get torn out of the ground. It is so bonkers to see this whole root system they just get like whoosh. And of course then the people take it away, but like it's so weird to know that this wind has such a push power. So many things in the Netherlands got damaged. So many trees fell. It's just like, it takes so much force to push over a tree, but this wind was just crazy. We don't have hurricanes or anything in the Netherlands, so this was big for us. This is my amazing table, and I closed it, and I saw that it goes too far, which means that the beam in the back is loose. So I went to check on it, and as you can see, it came off. There's a little screw, there's a little screw there. So what I'm going to do is reattach it. This is the first thing that broke. So, whoo, my skiller came out. The only thing is that I need to take out basically everything from the garage so that I can reach it, because the garage area is a bit full. I'm just gonna make sure I can reach it. I'm gonna put a couple of screws in there. Hopefully this beam will still make it. If it will break again, I'll probably have to put in a new little beam, but we'll see. Let's fix it. Okay, so I fixed it, but there wasn't really much space to drill it anymore, so I got one of these. And I bend it this straight. So I attach this on the outer side to help it from moving, because there was only one screw, and every time I put the table in, I don't really use force, but you just put it in, so there's a little bit of force behind it. So let me show you how it's looking. So hopefully that will work, because the front piece, it only touches it with a little piece, and already a little piece had broken off. So now I put it a little bit more to the back, and hopefully this white metal part will keep it together. If not, I'll probably have to take it out and replace it, but I don't want to do that. But I think this will work. I'll just be more mindful with not shoving the table back in, but just being more gentle. And here you can see that it is looking good again. So now if I put it back, I'll just be more careful without shoving it all the way back. So I knew this was gonna happen, because I've seen a lot of van build videos and van build series, and a lot of people come across these things while they're living in it. I'm happy that's the only thing. What I also want to do is this shelving that I made over there. It only is attached with 2 little hooks, and I want to add some more, or I want to make some more, because it's basically only attached with 2 screws, and there's a couple of stuff on there. But I've been feeling a bit tired, and it's working for now, but I want to make it more sturdy, because if I'm going to have the baskets, I might fill it up with some more stuff. It's going to be more heavy. The shelvings are very thick, so I don't think they will bend, but they're only attached on 2 sides, so I'm going to work that out. Hey, so I decided to ride my bike to the place where the branches that I really like, that I'm gonna bring along, seeing that it's actually really big. So I have to look around to see if there's some more, because I didn't bring my saw. I brought my Leatherman. My friend gave me this as a present when she heard I was gonna do van life, and I was like, oh, thank you, what a nice gift. And then I started looking into it, and I'm like, this is one of the best gifts anybody has given me for my van life adventure. So this is my Leatherman knife. I have it in my pocket all the time, but it is a super duper useful pocket knife. It's a lot of things. I'll make a video about it, show you what it is, but it also has a saw on it. So it has this little saw, which is absolutely wonderful. I have sawed a couple of branches with it, and it has a super sharp knife, which is ridiculously sharp. I'm very careful with it because I don't want to cut myself. It's so sharp. And yeah, so I'm going to try and saw it with my Leatherman. I'm going to look around and see. Oh, I see something over there. Let's go check that out. So I didn't get a video of this. I found 2 perfect branches, and I was like, yeah, they're perfect. And I started pulling them through the woods, and then because I wanted to put them here so I can saw them, and then I was holding it exactly at the place where I wanted it to saw, so the place that I wanted to keep, and it got stuck behind another branch, and I pulled it and I just broke the piece that I wanted to keep. Crap. Okay, let's find some more. Found this branch, which I think is really pretty, but I kind of like to keep the entire angle, but I can't. So I would either cut it here, or keep this angle and then cut it lower. I'm gonna figure this out. I really like this one. Of course, I don't need this entire piece, but I really like this part. So
when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
okay, so I have the one branch that I really like. Now I want to find something else that I also really like, but it has to be similar to that one. So I'm gonna look around and find another branch. So I found one. This is actually really small, but this might work. It has the right angle, but I'm gonna check, and I think, oh, ugh, again, frickin'. Crap. Ugh, I broke it again. What the hell is going on? Okay, well, that wasn't, I was gonna say, oh, that was basically perfect, because look, they were the same size. Okay, doesn't matter, just keep smiling. It's okay, that means it wasn't meant to be. But it's the second branch I broke. I find one I like, and then I just break it. What the hell? Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Just let it go. Find another one. I'm like, okay, Branchy, you made your point. I haven't found you yet, but where the hell are you?
A significant life, just what it was needed.
Looking around, and over here is all different. Well, probably not all, but most of it is different. It's more piney and higher and just different trees. This entire row seems to be the same tree. That's also why I always love going here, because the same type of wood is here. So I'm gonna trust my gut. I'm gonna go a little bit over there with the bike. There's people there, but that's probably okay. I'm gonna see if there's another stick over there, because I really want one. And my gut is telling me, just go over there. My mind is like, okay, the same type of trees are over there. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go over there. I'm running. I was running to catch the phone. I found one. Immediately I found one that I like. Let's go check it out. Yeah, I think we have a winner. I hope we have a winner. In the sun. This part is really pretty. And this part too. But this might be a little bit too thick. But this part is really pretty. But I think I'm gonna bring both. Let me decide. Okay, so I got this part. Let's go compare it to the other one and see if they're pretty similar. Okay, so do not drop it. Don't break it. Okay, let's go see. They are similar in width or girth or whatever this is called. It's a little bit smaller. But it could work, because I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or that. If I'm going to use that, then they're probably the same. Yeah, I think I like it. It might be slightly different wood, but I don't mind. So here she is. As you can see, I need to take care of my bed today because it gets dirty with the dogs. But this is where I want to make the branch. Come from this corner and then under there. Same over here. So let's see how we can do that. New here, these boxes are going to be replaced with baskets, but the baskets are in back order. So they're coming somewhere next week. Okay, I would say this one is ready. Let me get my trusty friends. These, by the way, are my best friends. And these helped me through this entire van build. I got this for my birthday. I asked money for my birthday to buy these a couple of years ago, and they're just my best friends. I take them everywhere. They just, yeah. They're my trusty building buddies. That's what I should say, trusty building buddies. I love it. It's really sturdy. It's gonna help. Oh, it's so cool. Yes. Awesome. Okay, now over to that side. So you guys, the battery died, so I couldn't show you the results. So I took the time to air out the bed, clean everything so it's nice and tidy. But let me show you the result of the cube branches. So this is what they look like, and I absolutely love this result. I love how cute they are. These holes I want to fill up with filler, but I don't have the right color filler, so I'll wait till I have that. I'm really happy with the result of these branches. I think they look wonderful, and it isn't whole with the rest of it. I really like what it's looking like. It's not going to be this annoying when you sleep here because you have to watch your head anyway, and they're all the way to this side. I don't know if I can show you. Yeah. So it's not going to interfere with when you want to get up with your head. There's room for that. I really like the way this looks, and I really like having a day like this to just wake up and think. I was walking in the woods and I saw these nice branches, and I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna make branches under that shelf. It's gonna look amazing. So I'm really happy about that. The green baskets for over there in the kitchen are gonna come today, and then hopefully somewhere next week I'll have the baskets to put up here, and then it's gonna be finished basically, because sometimes you want to add things, but in whole it's gonna be finished. I have to say that my plant, which is back there, is doing really bad, so I think I'm gonna put her out of her misery, maybe keep some cuttings, but she's not doing good, so I think I'm gonna take her down. But I'm really happy with how it's looking. I'm really happy that I put this in here. I never thought of putting branches there until this morning. I was like, put a branch there. The same is that I found a branch which was like this, and I thought I'm gonna make like a, what's it called, a slingshot. I'm gonna make a slingshot. So I kept the branch. It's in the van. It's a tiny branch, just small. But now I have to find some elastic to sling something. I'm gonna have fun with that. But yeah, I just love getting inspiration from nature. Just being like, I'm walking somewhere and I'm thinking, oh, that's so pretty. And then I just bring it and put it in here. And I really like the way this looks. I really, really like it. And I will show you, I really like the color on that branch too. This branch has some lighter spots, and then it gets a bit darker. I really like this. This branch is similar to the one in the kitchen. It's really, really cute. I really like that it has the same shape. It's really pretty. Yeah, and it just makes me happy. Oh, this just makes me so happy. And this one is also so pretty. Is similar to the one over there in the kitchen. So, oh, I love this so much. Look at how beautiful this is. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, don't forget to say yes to new adventures.